This last episode of our Fairbuds XL tutorials is a bit of a combo deal. You'll learn all about replacing the headband cover, the headband itself and the cable. Chapter 7. How to replace the headband cover, headband and cable. The first step is to release the USB-C speaker-to-speaker cable on the top side of the headphones. You'll need to gently lift the connector out of the socket. Next, you'll need to open the headband cover. You can just flap it open with your finger, like so. With the headband cover open, you should see a silver lever. Gently lift this lever to release the headband base and speaker from the headband. Once the lever is lifted, you should be able to slide the headband cover off the headband. To remove the cable, you'll need to repeat the previous steps on the other side of the headphones. First, release the USB-C speaker-to-speaker cable by gently lifting the connector out of the socket. Then lift the silver lever to release the headband base and speaker. Finally, pop the cable from under the headband. And that's it! You have successfully removed the headband and cable. You can now replace them with new ones if necessary. First, pop the new cable into the headband. Once the cable is in place, it's time to reassemble the device. Slide the headband cover over the cable and headband. Lift the silver lever and slide the headband base into the headband. Then lower the silver lever, making sure it's secured in place. Repeat the steps on the other side. Once everything is assembled, simply close the headband cover by gently pressing it back into place. The final step is to insert the USB-C speaker-to-speaker cables on both sides of the headphones. Gently lift the connectors and slide them into the sockets on the speakers. Be sure to press down until they fit securely. And this concludes our Fairbuds XL tutorial series. Thanks for watching.